Generally speaking, transition is considered the transition from hovering, so vertical flight, to horizontal flight. On a flight physics level, the transition is really when the flow attaches on the top of the flap. So before that, the flow that goes over the flap is turbulent, detached, and then at some point it becomes smooth and actually follows the shape of the flap. And that's when we say, okay, the flow has now attached, and that's what we call transition. And that is visualized then by the tufts. When the flow attaches, the tufts become perfectly straight.
In a recent flight, we achieved flow attachment for a few seconds, and it was a really good step in our progress. The aircraft behaved perfectly. The next step is to continue with the speed and demonstration of our other program goals so that we can see the transition across the entire wing. After that, we want to also see the entire canard, and then we will have demonstrated the full flow attachment for this aircraft.